Okay, number 12. Most of my students are choosing to do it like this, where you apply the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator, and then do a quotient rule. So make sure you know how to do the derivative of both of them. The derivative of the numerator would be 3x minus 2 squared. The derivative of the inside is a 1, so we don't need to write it. The derivative of the denominator would be 3, leave the inside the same and subtract 1, but times the derivative of the inside is another 3, so this one's 9 and 3x plus 5 squared. Now do your quotient rule. Low D high, I'll put the 3 here, and then the x minus 2 squared, minus high, D low is this, 9. Draw the line and square below. When you square a cube, it becomes a sixth. And that's most of it, except you just want to factor and cancel. Okay, so now, factoring. What do the two groups have in common? What does this group have in common with this group? They both have a 3. They both have an x minus 2. Actually, they both have 2 of them in common. And how many 3x plus 5s do they have in common? They have 2 in common. What's left over? Just like if you factor 5x plus 10, you take out a 5, what's left over is x plus 2. Okay, that's what we're doing. So if I take this out of each term, what's left over? Well, in the first group, what would be left over? I've got the 3. I've got the x minus 2 squared. I'm missing one of these guys, so I have a 3x plus 5. In the next group, I need a 3. I need another x minus 2. And I've got all of the 3x plus 5s. Denominator stays the same. Now all I have to do is cancel. You have 2 of these 3x plus 5s. We'll cancel with 2 of these, making that a 4. And all I have left to do is distribute this negative and combine like terms. So now just combine or distribute and combine like terms. So everything in blue is going to stay the same. Inside the brackets or parentheses, I have a 3x plus 5. Distribute my negative 3, I get negative 3x and plus 6. Denominator stays the same. Okay, add like terms. The 3x and the negative 3x goes away, which means that whole group just turns into a positive 11. And if that's an 11 and this is a 3, those guys can be multiplied together. So I have a 33 x minus 2 squared all over 3x plus 5 to the 4th.